The Blue Bison upgrade has new exciting features that we know you'll find extremely useful in your payroll and HR processes. We will be showing you just a few of these improvements and features today, but you can always find our release notes by going to Help, About HR and view Release Notes. Let's take a look at payroll. Have you ever made a simple error during this process and had to undo every employee's payroll? Blue Bison has made it easier to correct errors on individual employee payroll. Simply go to Payroll Step 3 and select the employee whose information needs to be modified. Click Undo at the bottom of the page to remove the employee from the Ready to Process status. As you can see from the employee search box, only this staff member was affected by this change. Make the necessary adjustments, then click Update. The field will become highlighted, which indicates that it was changed manually. Once you are satisfied, hit Save to revert this employee into the Ready to Process state. From here, you can continue your payroll as usual. The next new feature is the option to view the bank deposit report at the review stage. This enables you to quickly spot errors prior to finalization, which can be easily addressed by using the previously mentioned Undo feature in Step 3. Head over to Payroll Step 4. Choose the appropriate pay period, then click Bank Deposit from the drop-down under the Report Type section. Select the bank name and hit View Report. Now that your payroll is finalized, head over to the Pay Stub option. We know how frustrating it can be when your staff constantly contacts you because they've received their payslips, but their salary hasn't hit their account yet. This new feature allows you to schedule the date and time pay stubs should be sent out. For example, if salaries were sent to the bank on Wednesday, you may want to schedule your pay stubs to go out on Friday. This gives the bank sufficient time to process and make funds available. We would recommend setting an inactive time to avoid overloading the system. Choose your time zone and determine whether you would like to schedule payslips for all or specific employees. Selecting this last checkbox will send an email alert to your staff members without the pay stub attachment. You will notice a grid with details at the bottom of this screen once the system begins delivery. There is an option to refresh the grid, check which employees had scheduled emails, and view the audit log where you can see any errors that occurred. Now let's see what's new on the HR side of things. The attendance summary export has been improved to provide better insights into your workforce. A provision has been made to enable you to export one file to capture multiple employees' attendance log details, which includes attendance records as well as pay period information. Go to Reports, Employee Profile, and select Attendance Summary. Choose the employees you need, then use the appropriate filters and click View Report or Export to CSV if you need it in a tabular format. For reporting purposes, this improved sick type feature will allow you to create different types of sick leave and allow multiple absent reasons to count towards your employee's sick leave entitlement quota. For example, if you would like to differentiate between sick and sick with a note, then navigate to Settings, Attendance, select Absent Reasons. Click Add and enter the absent reason and its code. Next, input the log code, choose the appropriate hourly category and click Save. You can see here that you are now able to assign two types of absent reasons under the same log code. Use the attendance summary we explained earlier to run a report to capture this information. There are many more improvements and new features you can take advantage of. Please visit our knowledge base for more information or contact our support team. Thank you for using Blue Bison.